Welcome to the Titan Robo-advisor for Investing Review Usage Experience. Links to Titan are provided in the description below. Titan offers a unique take on robo-advisors, combining automated investing with an actively managed approach to cater to investors looking for high-quality, curated portfolios. Unlike traditional robo-advisors that rely solely on passive index-based strategies, Titan focuses on actively managed strategies aimed at delivering long-term outperformance. Titan is designed for individuals who want the convenience of automation but also prefer active management to seize market opportunities. The platform offers three primary strategies: flagship, focusing on U.S. growth stocks; opportunities, targeting smaller companies with high growth potential; and offshore, which provides international exposure. Each portfolio is managed by professional investment teams who analyze market trends and adjust holdings to align with Titan's strategies. One standout feature is Titan's personalized hedge, a risk management tool that acts as a built-in safety net for your portfolio during market downturns. This makes it particularly appealing to investors who are growth-focused but still wary of market volatility. Titan also provides in-depth transparency through regular updates on investment decisions, detailed research reports, and the rationale behind portfolio adjustments, giving users a sense of control and understanding over their investments. The minimum investment requirement is $500, making it accessible for beginner investors. Titan charges a flat annual fee of 1% on assets under management for accounts above $10,000. and $5 monthly for accounts below that threshold. While slightly higher than traditional robo-advisors, the fee reflects its active management model. Titan's user experience is polished and intuitive, with a sleek mobile app and web interface. The app provides clear performance metrics, educational content, and real-time updates, ensuring you stay informed without being overwhelmed. Titan is ideal for individuals who want active management within a user-friendly automated platform and are willing to pay a premium for a potential edge over the market. If that sounds like your style, check out the links in the description for more details.